We also believe that if the teachers, female teachers are there, it will help us in attracting more more girls children to our school, and it will also help us in retaining the girls. But in this particular school, the female teachers are not there. Now this report card is also, we have tried, and this report card is also made available in Hindi. But so far as other regional languages are concerned, that is beyond our capacity, and वो हमसे नहीं हो रहा है, होगा भी नहीं. It is very difficult. Someone from the state level, if they come and take the responsibility, that can be done. Otherwise, that is beyond our capacity. So कैसे भी करके हिंदी का इसमें किया है, but I believe that still there are some errors, grammatical mistakes are there, and we never say that both English and Hindi descriptive reports are final. So they always are in the draft format. As and when some grammatical error is observed, we correct them and upload the revised table. So this is all about the basic search. I will take this opportunity. Lastly, I will present the search, and then my colleague Asila will demonstrate and how to download the data. Very important. This morning we will be taking this class up to 12 o'clock because Dr. Mohanty has requested. Actually, this was taken by Dr. Mohanty, so I had requested it. So we will be with you. I may leave, but she will be here up to 12. And after 12, Dr. Mohanty will come, and he will take his own session. And after the lunch, one session we will take, and one session will be taken by Dr. Mohanty. So the one session which we take, in which Asila will give you one exercise, and you are supposed to give to the computer center, and whatever the instructions are given, we will tell you how to download the data. First of all, you need to register the download data. Then we will request Sakun immediately to approve their registration. Generally, we take 24 hours to approve the request for downloading of the data, and that is given for 7 days. But since we have to work in the afternoon, so and we have to inform Naveen also. First we demonstrate it here, and then we will go to the computer center and try and download the data. Downloading data is very simple, but using that downloaded raw data is not so simple. उसको यूज कौन करे, कैसे करेंगे? उसके लिए very little bit we will also explain you how to give the labels and all. The DCF is also there, but subsequently in the next few days, my colleague Mr. Reddy, he will introduce you to the SPSS, statistical packages for the social sciences, so that efficiently you will be able to use this raw data or raw data from any other survey. Right now we will be using this particular set of data. The last one, the basic search, is the search option is the advanced search. Again we will take this one. A new page will open. This is the new page. Same state is there, district is there, block is there, key parameters, management, category, area, search by name, ID or pin code number is there. Now we have added these three things. It's just like the basic and the locate search. But now for the advanced users, serious researchers, we have provided this facility. Just see the facility, under the facility. Now we can select one or many. We can give one or many criteria. Any sort of permutation and combination is possible here. So if you are interested in the school in Himachal Pradesh, just see the Himachal Pradesh. Then take पूरा data भी ले सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं हम state district का ही ले. Okay. Now drinking water is there. Yes, no, hand pump or well, tap, another school is not having. We can select this. If we are interested in working in schools which are not having the drinking water, you can select this one. Or with you are working, जो ये देखना चाहते हैं कि भाई स्कूल में पानी तो है, क्या इसका कोई इफेक्ट पड़ता है बाकी की रिटेंशन में, ड्रॉप आउट पे, तो you can take schools with water or a school without water. Then common toilet, whether the school is having the common toilet, yes or not, girls toilet, yes or not, ramp, yes or not, electricity, yes or not. Many times we talk about the computer, but if the electricity is not there, so you can also link, you can search the schools which are having computers but not have the electricity. गारंटी नहीं है स्कूल में तो यूपीएस है और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी है, तो देयर इज नो गारंटी दैट द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर इज अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम. सो यू कैन लाइक टू सर्च classrooms, 0 classroom, good class, 1, 2, 3, 4. single classroom you can search, zero classroom you can search. Then major requires major or minor repair. How many rooms require major or minor repair? Buildings, whether it is in the no school is not having building, private building, rented building, government rent-free building, school is having the computers. The next one is computers. Yes or no? Playground, yes or no? Boundary wall, yes or no? Whether the school has boundary wall, just no boundary wall, pakka, broken, barred, hedges, other type of boundary walls. Then the medical checkup, whether the school has a medical checkup or not, having the book bank or not, whether the school has got the pre-primary section attached to or not. The last one is, second one is the general information. You can select one or many of these. You can select one or many of these, whether you are interested in residential school. ऐसे स्कूल जहाँ पर हर बच्चे को वहीं पे हॉस्टल में रहना होता है. They are the residential school, ashram school. If you want to work on residential school, you select this one so that all the residential schools will be listed out. Then the stepped school, whether the school building is used for the stepped school. Year of establishment. If you want to see before DPEP, after DPEP, how many schools were opened? After Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, how many schools were opened? So Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, ये देख सकते हैं. Before 95, different settings are given. Then days school function. Right to education में लिखा हुआ है. A primary school should function for 200 days, and upper primary school should function for 220 days. तो ये देखिए, you can also search schools according to your own requirement. Then visited by BRC coordinator 0, 1, 2, 3 not visited. Visited by CRC coordinator 0, 1, 2, 3 like that one. So these are the other set of indicators, variables which you may be interested. The last one is very important: enrollment teachers and enrollment teachers and other indicators. Whether you are interested in PTR, if you want to work in schools which are having PTR 1:10 or 1:20, just list out the schools and you will get all the other variables which are available in the dice. Take it to the SPS and you can work. So PTR less than 10, 20, 30 like that one. Then teachers will progress the qualification. All the teachers are trained. None of them are trained. 25% trained. Para teachers, school is having para teacher, yes or no? The student classroom ratio. On an average, how many children are sitting in one classroom? You can use this one. Headmaster, yes or no? The school is having headmaster or not? Disabled children and type of disability. Without disabled children, disabled enrollment, boys and girls. Type of disability is not given here, but we have the data. Enrollment less than 0, less than 10, 20, 30, 40. More than 100, 300, 500, whatever you want. Then total number of teachers, 0 teacher, single teacher, 1 teacher, 0 teacher, 1 teacher, 2, 3, 4, 5 teachers. So one or many of these indicators can be used. We will take only one example. Just take Himachal Pradesh. And okay, all the districts. Just go to the number of teachers. We will select single teacher school. Just take one and search the entire database. So here. All. Good. So let us just see in Himachal Pradesh how many single teacher schools are there. Similarly, there are 1,641 schools are there. 1641. Now just see how many government schools are there. Let's see the management. So just we will take the management here. Himachal Pradesh, management here. Yes, government Department of Education. Again go to the teachers. Single teacher school. Out of 1641, how many government schools are having the single teacher schools? 1621. 1641 में से 1620 schools are the government schools. So majority of 99% of the single teacher schools are the government schools. Now just see how many of them are the primary schools. How many of the out of 1620, how many of them are the primary schools? Management. Yes. I think majority of these schools must be the primary schools. 1532. Out of 1620 schools, 1532 are the primary alone schools. So generally primary school में आप देख लीजिए केवल single teacher school है. Majority of these schools are single teacher schools. And similarly, you can see the para-teacher schools, non-para-teacher schools, any permutation combinations you can use and search the information as per your requirement. But the last question, you may ask the question that you have shown all the report card, but if I am a researcher, how to use this information? It is very difficult. Opening the record of 1540 schools, one by one, noting down the enrollment, SC, ST, OBC, it is just impossible. I will go mad. आदमी आपके सारे रिकॉर्ड खोल के नहीं करेगा, कर सकता है? It's not possible. That is why, in view of the requirement of the researchers, of late we have provided the download raw data facility. This is exactly the same. बिल्कुल जैसा किया है, but it is the advanced search. And when you give your options, the schools will be listed as per our requirement. But when with the list, along with the list, you will get all the database into the four files: basic, enrollment, teachers, equipment, like that one. So entire database will be provided to you, but only those records will be listed which meets your requirement. If you are interested in only single teacher school, then only 1540 single teacher schools will be displayed along with all the variables available under the type. So that all these four files you will receive in the Excel format. You take it to the SPSS or Strata or any other statistical package, and then you work on that. So now Asila, she will make a demonstration again how to download the data, how to manipulate the data. She would like to cover right now, and after lunch we will have one session and she will give you one practical exercise. As of now, I do not know whether Monty will be taking at 2 or we shall be taking at 2. So we have to find it out from Mr. Monty. So maybe the second session we will take after the lunch, and we will also inform the computer programmer there so that the computers are available. But before we going to the computer center, we will we will demonstrate you how to download the data. With this, I conclude my part of the presentation, and Rasila will come.